$67,500.
They got a deal.
Lot 302 will need to be purchased by a dealer or out-of-state resident due to California emissions. It is the 1983 Ferrari 308 GTS, this being the open-top variant here in black over red. Such a great color combination. This car is restored by specialists at Black Horse Garage, and the work is excellent, including a fully rebuilt engine, transmission, and suspension. The black over red 308 GTS.
Thank you very much, Alan, for the introduction. Here it is up on stage. What should we say, ladies and gentlemen? $30,000 to start me. Would you like to start me at 30? Thank you, Stephanie. 30,000 on my right. No reserve here to be sold at 30,000. Thank you. 35,000 right ahead of me at 35. 40,000 with Stephanie. $45,000 then in the room. 50 if you like. 50 if you like. Got to do some thinking. Planning ahead perhaps next time. At $45,000. $50,000. Stephanie's in luck. $55,000 now. Do I have 60 from either of you? 60,000 right here in front of me. Thank you very much, Stephanie, for the bids anyway. At 60,000 right here. 65 anywhere now? I've got 60 bid, and I'm selling the car, make absolutely no mistake, right here in front of me. At $60,000. Do I have 65 anywhere now? Well, at 60,000 then it's going for the first time. At 60,000 then. 65, thank you. 65, do I have one? 65,000 seated in front of me here at 65,000. 67,500 if you like, sir. Are you sure, sir? Good, just checking. At $65,000 then, the bid seated right here in front of me and selling all the way at $65,000. It's going for the first time at 65,000, then it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and last chance at $65,000. Are we all done? All finished? So, your Ferrari, sir, well done. $65,000. 1221. Thank you very much.